Topic: Asking for directions. How to ask and give directions in English. Learning. Objective: how to ask someone for directions politely. How to give clear and simple directions in English. Useful phrases and example dialogues. 1. Common useful phrases, basic sentences. Situation: asking for directions. Giving directions to start the conversation. Excuse me, could you help me? Sure, I can help you. Asking about a place. Can you tell me where the hospital is? The hospital is straight ahead. Clarifying. Is it far from here? No, it's just 5 minutes away. Getting details. How can I get to the train station? Go straight and then turn left at the signal. Asking about walking or driving. Is it within walking distance? Yes, you can walk there easily. Confirming directions. So I go straight and then turn right. Yes, that's correct. Showing gratitude. Thank you. So 2. Vocabulary for directions. Straight ahead, सीधा आगे. Turn left, turn right. बाएं, then मुड़ाएं. Next to, बगल में. In front of, सामने behind. पीछे across the street. सड़क के दूसरी तरफ corner. कोना intersection / crossroad. चौराहा roundabout. गोल चक्कर traffic lights. Signal, traffic signal. Near far, قريب, door. On your left, right, आपके bain, then 3. Dialogue 1. Simple asking for directions. Beginner. A. Tourist. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop? B. Local. Sure, go straight for 2 blocks and turn right. You'll see the bus stop on your left. A. Thank you very much. Is it far from here? B. No, it's just a 5-minute walk. A. Great, thanks for your help. B. You're welcome. Have a nice day. October 20th, 7:53 p.m. Shazd 44. 4. Dialogue. 2. Asking directions to a landmark. A. Excuse me, I'm new here. Can you tell me how to get to the city museum? B. Of course, it's quite easy. Walk straight down this road until you reach the big roundabout. A. Okay. B. Then turn left, and the museum will be right in front of you, next to the park. A. Is it near the train station? B. Yes, about 10 minutes from there. A. Thank you for the directions. B. Anytime. 5. Dialogue 3. Asking for directions when you're lost. Excuse me, I think I'm lost. Can you help me find the central library? B. No problem. Where are you coming from? A. I came from the main square, but I took a wrong turn, I guess. B. Okay, go back to the square, then take the second street on the right. The library is just opposite the bank. A. Oh, thank you. Is it a long walk? B. Not at all. About 7 minutes. A. Perfect. I really appreciate it. B. You're welcome. Good luck. 6. Dialogue 4. At the metro station. A. Hello, could you tell me which way to the central station? B. Yes. Take this line to Green Park, then change to the blue line. A. How many stops are there? B. 4 stops from here. A. Thank you. Do I need a ticket or a card? B. You can use either. The machine is on your left. A. Thanks a lot for the help. B. You're welcome. 7. Dialogue 5. Tourist asking a police officer. Tourist. Excuse me, officer. Can you tell me how to get to the National Stadium? Officer. Sure. Follow this road straight for about 1 kilometer. Tourist. Okay. Officer. Then, at the second traffic light, turn right. You'll see signs pointing to the stadium. Tourist. Is it better to walk or take a bus? Officer. It's a bit far to walk. I recommend taking the number 12 bus. Tourist. Got it. Thank you for your time. Officer. No problem. Enjoy your visit. 8. Useful patterns for asking directions. Polite ways to ask. Excuse me, could you tell me where? Can you help me find? Do you know how to get to? I'm looking for. Polite ways to give directions. Go straight ahead. Turn left/right at the corner. It's opposite the bank. It's next to the park. You can't miss it. 9. Example, sentences for practice. Excuse me, is there a hospital nearby? Where is the nearest ATM? Can you point me in the direction of the library? I'm trying to find the bus station. How far is it from here? Can I walk there or should I take a bus? Go straight and take the first left. It's across the street from the supermarket. 10. Mini role-play scenarios for practice. Scenario 1. You are lost in a new city and need to find your hotel. Scenario 2. You ask someone how to get to the nearest metro station. Scenario 3. You are at the airport and want to find the taxi stand. Scenario 4. You need directions to a famous restaurant. Scenario 5. You are helping a tourist find the post office. Practice these with a partner or speak them out loud.